Hi everyone, so my name is Shamisoayano, also known as Bright Eyes, and I'm gonna do an unboxing of the Curio 2. I always wanted this one, but I also wanted a vinyl machine. So my first silhouette machine is a vinyl machine, so I have the silhouette 4 or the cameo 4, and I bought Curio 2. It does some of the features that my silhouette cannot do because it's a silhouette 5. It's a silhouette 4. It's a cameo 4. So everything that my cameo 4 cannot do, I could do it with this machine. The reason why I bought this machine because I wanted to make jewelry. So that's why I buy it. I only see a couple YouTubers use this machine to make jewelry, so I thought it would be nice to start doing some jewelry. Alright, so I'm gonna be unboxing. Very large. Not sure where I'm going to put this machine. It came damaged. The box got messed up. You see right there. But hopefully it's okay. I think it's okay. This is the easy way. Just turn it upside down and let gravity do its job. The other side. All right. Wow, it's huge. It's a huge machine. Let's see what's in this box. Okay. Sugar. Okay. Unplug. It doesn't have the stuff inside. It's taped pretty good. It's like supposed to be there. Okay. What's that for? Tape. Screw. L-shaped sheet metal. Okay. All right. Okay. Warning, please remove the screws before use. Okay, so I'm going to keep this tape on. Remove the screws. Okay, so I gotta remove the screws from the back. Okay, I'll show y'all. Right here. Before you can use it, they say remove these screws here. So, I don't see no needle. I'm concerned. Maybe the needle's inside, I don't know. There's no needle in here. So, How is it going to cut? It's at 0. Okay, so it probably does have needle in there. It's at 0. Okay. Okay. Oh, what is this? Not sure what this is, but I'm going to figure it out later on. And that's all that came in the box. That's it. Okay, so it comes with a bundle, so I'm going to show you what's in the bundle. Okay, right here, the glitter sticker sheets. Printable heat transfer. Printable heat transfer for light colors. Printable heat transfer for fabrics. Wood sheets. Blush metallic stickers. Yes. What's this? Magnet sheet adhesive. Magnet sheets printables. Okay, what is this? A glass edge starter kit. Metal edging sheet. Okay. Came in with some tape, Maxim tape it came with. Okay. Came with a toolkit. Let me see, what's this? This is the Power Engraver. Okay. And it also came with the tray display. The debris tray it came with. Okay, it's just a cardboard box. Okay, this is what the debris tray looks like. So I have 2 of them. But this one is bigger. This one's a little different than this one. This one's shaped different than this one. They're not the same shape. They're similar, but not the same shape. Alright, so that's what came with the machine. I should have some fun projects with it. So, yeah, so I'm going to try to make some jewelry with it and see how that goes. Oh yeah, I will be taking a jewelry class next week. Yes, I'm also taking a jewelry class because I really want to make jewelry. pretty much about it. So that's why I bought the machine. I think it's a great machine to make jewelry. And I'm going to experiment and see what I could do with it to make jewelry. Alright, so that's it for now. I'll see y'all later. Bye.